So I be eating not the whole thing, but half of it. But I got this from Food Line. I don't want to like have a sugar rush, but I'm gonna eat as much as I can with this. If not, then I just put the rest in the refrigerator and save it for later. For me only. But yeah, this is like, I think it has like vanilla inside. But yeah, I just have like a sweet tooth. But yeah, along with it, I'll be drinking my favorite coffee, Starbucks Frappuccino coffee, vanilla. So yeah. But I say, hey, it's almost Christmas, so I might as well eat some dessert. But yeah. See, look at this. I gotta get some cake. Yep, vanilla. But I just felt like eating cake. Mm. Mm. I already ate some. I already ate something today. It was my Chinese food. So after my Chinese, finishing half of my Chinese food, which I put in the refrigerator, I wanted to like eat this, showing you guys so I can have like some video that you guys can watch. Mm. Mm-hmm. I mean, I like cake like this. I like when it's like have like the cream in the middle. I don't like the frosting, the cake at the bottom. I don't like that. I'd rather have like some cream inside the cake. Why did you buy my Pepsi? I want to drink my coffee. I think coffee goes along better with cake than soda or water. My opinion. Just a few more bites. Oh, this, it has like the best day ever sign. What else does it say? Yeah, they all say best day ever, best day ever, best day ever. It's best day ever, best day ever. Alright guys, that's enough for me. I just wanted to like make some short video for you guys. Oops. Which is like me eating cake. I hope it stays. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy. I'm gonna put the rest of this in the refrigerator, don't worry. I'm not gonna waste it. But yeah, I like cakes like this. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. And thank y'all for watching. And I see you guys next time I see ya. I don't know when I'm going to do like another movie for you guys, but it'll be like someday very soon. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it, and again, thank you all for watching.